Welcome. In today's quick guide, you'll learn exactly how to remove your profile picture on LinkedIn step by step. Whether you want a fresh start or just prefer not to have a picture at all, this updated method will help you do it in less than a minute. Let's jump right in. First, open your LinkedIn app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your profile settings. Next, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Tap it and then choose View Profile. This will take you straight to your profile page, where you can see all your personal details and settings. Now tap on your profile photo once again. A small menu will appear at the bottom of your screen. From that menu, tap View or Edit Profile Photo. This is where you manage everything related to your picture. Once you're on that screen, you'll see several options like Change, Edit, or Delete. Go ahead and select Delete. LinkedIn will ask you to confirm your choice. Simply tap Delete again and your profile photo will be removed instantly. That's it, your profile picture is now gone from your account. When people visit your profile, they'll see a blank avatar instead of your old image. If you ever change your mind, you can always add a new photo later by following the same steps and choosing Add Photo instead. LinkedIn makes it easy to update your image whenever you want. So, to recap, open the LinkedIn app, tap your profile photo, choose View Profile, tap your photo again, select View or Edit Profile Photo, then hit Delete and confirm. Simple, fast, and effective. Thanks for tuning in.